Hi Sajis, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and this is for all you singles out there who've been looking out for new love and not for the ones who've been wanting their ex or keeping a watch out on their exes to come back, okay? This is for the people who are absolutely nobody that they're looking back on and looking forward to only new love. Okay, and these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin our reading. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Sagittarius and send them these messages regarding their new love which is approaching them. Whatever messages you can send them. Thank you. All right, Sagittarius, let's begin. Welcome back all my subscribers and welcome in newbies. Do subscribe and join us if you want. Okay, so Sajis, you are looking out to see what else is out there. Your ships are coming in, so don't worry about it. I think you have been manifesting for a long time the perfect partnership, perfect relationship, which is going to go the long haul. Maybe it hasn't shown up yet. I see that. I mean, this is what you want, right? 10 of Pentacles, happily ever after with the dog and the money and the family and the white picket house and like everything. So you have been wanting this, but I see you a little bit stressed right now because right now you don't see it coming. It's hidden under the moon's shadows. You don't know because you can't see anybody out there, but believe it or not, your manifestations are working. Very soon there's going to be a clear path ahead of you. Your ships are coming in, Sagittarius. Don't worry about it. Let's clarify these cards and see what this clarity is going to bring. So 10 of Pentacles, Spirit, see the moon again. You want it, but you don't know how or where it's coming from. There's a bit of fear attached to the fact that you may never achieve this 10 of Pentacles. 9 of Swords, Spirit. 9 of Swords. Why is Sagittarius so stressed out? See, I told you were manifesting. I told you were manifesting, Sagittarius. Here you are. You're manifesting big time. But little problem here is, Sagittarius, you are manifesting from a place of fear. You want things to happen, but you don't believe they can happen. So that's what's delaying your manifestations and also keeping you in the dark here. Yes, you want to get over, whatever troubled times you've been in and sail towards that perfect partner, that you and that someone special, get into a boat and row away into the sunshine. That's your wish. But right now, because you're manifesting from a place of fear of the moon, you're stressing about it. That's why it's getting a bit delayed. It's coming. That's definitely coming. But right now, you feel it's not because it's taking a little bit of time. So what's this moon card, Spirit, for Sagittarius? What's this moon card? The angels are saying we're working on it. Don't worry, we're working on it. We're working to bring back balance into your life, and there's going to be fast forward movement coming soon. Right now, it's not to be revealed, I guess. It's not to be revealed as to who this person is, but we'll still try. Chariot, Spirit, where's Saji going with this? Oh my God, heading straight towards that cup of love. It's amazing. Look at this. You're heading straight into new love. Fresh, brand new, big cup of love. And the angels are behind this. And no wonder you can't see it right now. I mean, the angels are moving heaven and earth, I think, to, kind of working on putting this together for you. Okay, so what's this Ace of Swords, Spirit? What's coming in for Sagittarius? What's this Ace of Swords? Who's bringing in this cup of love? Please tell us. Oh my God. Ace of Swords is clarified by the Ace of Swords. It's going to become crystal clear very soon, my angels say. All right, but can we have a sneak peek, please? Can we have a little sneak peek about this person who's coming into Sagi's life, bringing this big cup of love for them? or somebody who's been watching you for some time, Sagittarius, this is not somebody that maybe you don't know this person, but this person knows you. This person has been quietly, tracking you, maybe through social media or through your friends, or they're getting information about you. Spirit says this person already has their eye on you. You may be in the dark, but they know. And they're very clear about the person that they want. One more. Two more. Okay. Yes, this person is not going to be beating around the bush, or they're not going to juggle you. They're not going to confuse you. When they come in, they're going to drop the ball and give it to you absolutely straight. They want to invest with you. They're very keen on putting in, roots with you. They want to invest with you, and they want to stand by your side forever. But this is the wounded warrior who maybe has tried some time, maybe in the past with other people, maybe not worked out, but they are adamant that they want love in their life, and they've got their eyes set on you. This person is not going to confuse you or beat around the bush. This is a person who's coming with the intention. They're very clear in their intention that yes, this is the person I want, this is the person I want to invest in. There is no game playing here, there's no back and forth energy here. They've been waiting, I think, a long time for a person like you to come into their life, or maybe you have been, and communications going to be really rapid between the two of you. It may start off a bit small. You may not even know that this is the person, but it's going to be small but solid, and it's going to build over time, maybe with a lot of communication between the two of you. And this is coming in fast. This is you've planted the seeds of intention, and the only reason it's been delayed till now because I don't think you believed it can happen. So quickly, I want you to change your manifestation to say, hey, I already have it. This person is already in my life, and things may just start going faster than they have. This is what this person is. My God, this is such a beautiful reading. The Two of Cups. This is your soulmate. No wonder they're not confused. They know that you are the one. Beautiful. All right. Oh my God, showing up as the King of Pentacles as well, the perfect spouse. So I'm going to see, Sagittarius, if this person who's been watching you, if they want to say something to you, what that would be. Because this person knows who you are. You may not know this person. You may not suspect that this is the person, but this person knows. They know for sure, and they've been waiting for you. So Sagittarius' person, Spirit, if they could say something to them, what would that be? What would they like to say? Sagittarius' person. What would they like to say to them? Don't let the past dictate your future. They want you to wipe the slate clean. Maybe they've been watching you so that they approach you when you're ready. I feel so much passion for you. And the last one says, this situation is messy because they haven't been able to come and tell you yet. They've been watching from the sidelines. I'm going to take one more. One more for Sagittarius' person, if they could say something to Sagittarius. I want to restore your faith in me. Maybe they feel that you don't believe in love anymore. Maybe they've been told that you've had some messy situations in the past. So they're coming in to say, I'll show you what love is. I'll restore your faith in love and in me. So yes, that's what I have for you, Sagittarius. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.